birthday present here. Happy birthday. Is this the best dim sum here? And dip this in. Wanna go downstairs with me? Oh?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Why?
Come. I have something to show you. This way. We're gonna do the birthday present today.
What's the
How's that?
birthday present?
这是顶戴的礼物. So open this.
What's inside?
Something heavy.
Chocolate bar.
Another printer cartridge.
Maybe you want to show the camera.
What is
Piece of paper.
Oh, that's boring. What is
Plane ticket? To Vegas?
Yes.
What do you mean? Who's going? Me?
Just
me?
oh yeah, you want me?
Just the two of them?
here?
Yeah. What do you think? That's your ticket. My ticket, it's in my mailbox. What do you
Oh,
think?
I'm on
Look
the
at
table.
Wow, that's a surprise. I thought we were going to dinner.
Am I going too?
No,
Am I going?
no.
Why? It's a vacation.
Do you want to know where you're staying or is it a surprise?
You can surprise me.
Okay.
Are you excited to find out where you're staying?
Yeah.
Helping create the
Yeah.
We are in rental car and finally in Vegas. You don't know where you're going. You turn left. Go Davis Way.
Now what?
Go straight. Next light.
Okay.
Next
So
light.
we're not staying at Mandalay Bay.
No, sorry.
Okay.
Maybe you stay. I told you, maybe you stay in the campground.
Yeah.
This hotel, the name is here.
Delano?
Yeah. What do you think?
Great.
Great.
Never heard of it.
That's a part of Mandalay Bay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we'll try to find somewhere to check in right now. Down and all. What do you think so far, the hotel? Your impression?
Well, obviously.
You get our room key here.
Oh, this is the key? Oh.
Yeah. I picked the best room for you. Got you a corner room
Is it
too.
tap?
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, it's huge.
Oh, here is the desk.
Huh.
Do we have a
Oh,
view?
nice view.
Great view here. Almost 180. And we have another room here, right? Is a little office. So I can do some work here. And a bar. How's the bathroom? Let's see. Ooh, bed. Nice. I'm just gonna redo some of my makeup. You better get dressed. You're still laying in bed.
Oh, that's comfortable.
Yeah, it is. Comfortable. I don't want to get up. That's why. This is the dress. Done with my makeup. We're going to a Japanese restaurant, Mizumi. We're going to have some Japanese food, some sushi, sake, and some grilled Japanese food. Look at all the flowers. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We are here. Do you think we got the best table?
Yeah, this
The
is really
restaurant. Look at the waterfall here. Oh, we are outside. It's perfect weather for this. Sitting by the waterfall. And we're waiting for the sake, not just some sparkling water. What do you think of your birthday trip?
nice. Great.
Just great, just one word. There's some different words you can use. Your vocabulary I thought is supposed to be big. So what kind of sake you order? Unfiltered what?
Nidori, I think it's called.
Happy birthday. It's good.
Yeah.
What do you think? Now try the snapper with the ponzu sauce.
This is the style that Nobu made popular. He popularized this here.
Let's try the tuna tataki. Oh.
Is that good? Mm-hmm. The shrimp, chicken, mushroom, and the shishito pepper.
I'm gonna try the shishito pepper with bonito fish flakes. Looks really good. Grill. Maybe next time I'll make this grill. The one I just had a little bit spicy, but with the fish flakes, I think it adds some different texture. It's really good. Oh, that was really spicy. Fire. Here is grilled shrimp wrapped with bacon.
Shrimp's good.
The bacon is very crunchy outside, and the shrimp is soft. Have this like a smoky flavor, I do think. Yeah. Hey, what's that?
50-hour braised Wagyu veal cheek.
Veal cheek. Veal cheek.
Yeah.
That take you along. It's so tender. This is the crispy rice. Topping with tuna. Try one crispy rice. On the top is the sashimi piece. Really, two different texture combined. Really good.
Looks like chocolate. Ooh.
Just chocolate. How's that?
Ridiculous.
Looks good. Chocolate, fondant, peanut butter inside. Just like a chocolate souffle, right? I know it's not souffle, the texture outside. Thank you. Second day Vegas. Today we are driving, have lunch at Din Tai Feng. What are you excited about the restaurant? What are you gonna order?
All the dim sum.
All the dim sum.
Yeah.
Also meeting my friend Jessica. She is the bento box mom. Exciting meeting her and ask her some question about the food here. Maybe what we should eat next. This took us like 30 minutes to find this place. Like no sign here. Finally I found it. See if Jessica's here. So we are having some tea here. And here's the menu. They are famous for their soup dumplings, but I don't know why it's called dumpling in English. We don't call it dumpling, it's a bun. It's a bun with soup inside. 小笼包. I'll see if it's better than mine. Here behind me in the kitchen, the chefs are making buns. Just like me at home, the traditional way, you roll the dough. Yeah, you're rolling each wrapper with hands and the rolling pin. Oh, that is better than machine-made dumpling wrappers. That's the best. Hi, Jessica. I'm here. Can't wait till you pick up some food. Wow, what do you like here?
Hello, hello. I love the cucumber salad, the green beans. I love the shrimp fried rice.
Oh, that sounds good. Hey, David.
Hello.
What's your favorite food here?
My favorite food? I have to look at the menu. I forgot what it's called. But I love xiaolongbao.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's Sully Jessica. That's me.
Check out her channel.
Yay, thank you. Yeah.
You have a channel? Is this the best dim sum here in town? Las Vegas, you say?
You know, I love ping pong.
Oh, ping pong. Oh, next time I need
But
to try
Din
that.
Tai Fung is like, I mean, you can't ever go wrong, so I'll never be like, oh, don't go to Din Tai Fung. But ping pong is my favorite.
Ping pong, okay. Remember that. So we're gonna see if I like this dim sum or not. Jessica just made me this fabulous sauce, ginger and vinegar and chili oil. Look at this dipping sauce. Fabulous.
There.
And we got the food.
This is the crab. You see the little
that's
crabby,
cute.
yeah. Truffle, yummy. Thank you.
Oh,
Yum.
yum, yum, yum.
Let's take a picture real quick.
Oh.
Sorry, cameras eat first.
At that juicy dumpling. How's that?
So good.
So good. Look at mine. I'm gonna get some sauce here, like that.
Truffle's good.
Truffle's good.
Here's Vivian doing her thing.
Here. Cheers.
Cheers.
What'd you order? Just stir fried string beans?
Yeah, it's so good. And
what's
shrimp
this?
fried rice.
Oh, I love fried rice. Love fried rice. So Jessica suggests this shrimp fried rice. This is really good, and each rice you can see is separated. It's not stuck together. Oh, I love this.
It's so good.
Then string beans very crunchy. Look at this fancy drink here. What's this?
It's a grape slush. So usually I get a lychee slush, and it's so good. But I'm gonna try this one because they don't have it today.
Wow. Sesame mochi buns. Look at this dessert one. Let me see the filling. That looks good. How's that? Good?
Yummy.
How about you? You like it?
Oh, it tastes like
汤圆?
汤圆.
Ah, tastes like 汤圆. You recommended this sesame mochi like a bun, so I'm gonna take a bite.
So good. It's a dessert. xiaolongbao. Yeah.
小笼包. Oh, yeah. The paste is very, what do you say? Very smooth.
Yeah.
Say. Have the fragrance. All right. Definitely, I'm gonna try to make this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Are you ready for some meat? Let's go inside and order some of your favorite steaks. Maybe more than steaks. I'm asking you, the cameraman.
Yes.
You look very happy.
Happy?
Yeah, because this is your place, the meat place.
It's not like I'm the biggest meat eater in the world.
Maybe you are in the
Hi.
house. Are you gonna say something? Happy birthday.
Great.
Great, okay. You have no reaction on Mizumi.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to my meat.
So we decide on the tasting menu. This is a more expensive one, most expensive. $2.75 maybe? I will see when I get the bell. Cotton candy foie gras. So how we eat this? Just one bite?
You said one bite.
Just one bite. I don't know if I can eat one bite. Go first. One bite.
You can do it.
Good. Some kind of seaweed and fancy tacos. Beef jerky. Smoky.
Ham? That's the ham.
Here, try this beef tartare with egg.
Not good?
Very good. Very fresh. And tender. This lettuce wrapper is with tomatoes with lettuce. So refreshing and crunchy. Let's try the ham. Spanish ham. This ham, yeah. Imported from Spain. Really good. When I was in Barcelona, did we have this? I think we did. Barcelona. We got chopsticks for Japanese A5 Wagyu. That's good. I love to eat with chopsticks. And here's some wasabi. I don't know if I need that. Here it is. Oh. So tender. Tastes like butter. That tastes this much fattier than beef.
Wow.
Chocolate, nuts and chocolate. Very good. Today we are at Chinatown in Vegas, and we are going to try some Chinese food for lunch. Kind of like a strip mall. Behind me, there's a bakery. Also, many Chinese breakfasts like a soy milk, a youtiao, and also Korean barbecue here. Here you just see over there, so it looks like a buffet, but it's not. You pick your own food. They make a bowl of mao cai. It's like a spicy hot pot, but served on the table for you. You can go pick whatever you want. And scan the menu here. I think I'm gonna have the Yunnan famous dish called cross the bridge rice noodles. So this cross bridge noodle dish in Yunnan, you usually pour the hot soup in, then you add the raw meat here. They're already cooked, they just serve on the table. All the meat and vegetables in the bottom. Soup tastes, probably cooked for 4 hours. the dry pot lamb mixed with celery and potato vegetables. I'm gonna try a piece of lamb. The dry pepper flavor. It's spicy, not too spicy. Also tastes like straight peppercorn. You? Kind of numbing. Yeah. What do you think of that lamb?
Very good.
Those are jelly noodles. They made of mung bean starch, mung bean flour. So in Chengdu, it's really spicy. Cold cucumber with garlic. We are so stuffed. What about you? We are. I said we are. Full. So full. So little bakery here and a shop. Let me see the menu. Oh, look at these frozen dumplings. So this is like a traditional breakfast. For me, what do you think? Hot soy milk?
Yep, looks good.
This one is the meat and vegetable bun. Look at the inside.
It's good, right?
Kind of mixed, little crunchy texture. Guess you love this bun, huh? Really
Very good.
Traditional youtiao with soy milk. And dip this in. This is a place for breakfast. For George. Here, 小笼包. Those juicy little buns. By English, it's called dumpling. Why are these called dumplings? Tell me. Let's take a bite. Really juicy, and the meat filling is very tender. Very a lot of flavor. And green onions in here, I can taste. And dipping in this ginger vinegar sauce. Perfect. Also got some more buns to go. Happy birthday. Today, actually your birthday. Your birthday food is soy milk and youtiao. What do you think? Buns. More buns to take home. Okay, finally home. Did you see this? You see this?
Ooh, candy.
Candy.
Ooh, birthday.
What your kids made for you?
Daddy.
So cute.
Happy birthday.
Kids made this.
I wonder where the cat's from.
What?
Oh no, that's a cat too. That's Sydney. The color circle.
So cute. You're home. Happy birthday.